What's wrong? Are you mad? Wanna say hi? Are you mad because I didn't let you talk on the phone? Logan. You wanna have a kiss? Kiss. Okay. You gonna say anything?
Yes.
You mad?
Yes.
What are you mad about? Silly.
You're right.
Yeah.
I see you. Oh, my.
Your story. Is that your head?
Yes.
You look silly.
You put it.
You want to go get a haircut today?
No.
Want mommy to cut your hair?
Nope.
You want to go to school soon? We need to cut your hair before we go to school, huh? Move your finger.
Oh,
Yeah. Say bye.
bye.
Yeah.